brothers and sisters of the Celestial Energy, Brother Wisdom. What's going on, guys? All right, I'm going to be straightforward. I'm going to make this short, not long. All right, I'm hearing all this stuff all over YouTube, the internet, everything, Facebook, whatever, Instagram, about the plans that these Saxons has created to poison everybody. So, oh yeah, they're going to be poisoning the food. They're going to do this. They're going to do this. Let me tell you something. All right, let me remind you, brothers and sisters, because I just had a glimpse of Badell's last video he did 3 days ago, talking about how this is what they plan on doing, this is what they plan on doing. And it's like our people have forgotten who we are. All right, let me tell you something. We haven't lost any power. All right, we haven't lost any power. You have to remember, brothers and sisters, that we are the spiritual beings. We are the original beings here. We're the ones who make the decisions of what goes on this realm and what doesn't happen. Okay? You can't let some alien motherfucker come in and tell you, this is what I'm going to do to you. And then you sit up there and let them do it. It's like somebody saying, oh yeah, I'm going to kill you. Wait a minute, hold on. And then they show you the weapon. They show you the weapon. This is what I'm going to kill you with. And you have all this time. Are you going to run, or are you going to take them out before they take you out? Therefore, you remove the threat. Okay? We are the most powerful beings to walk this realm. We're the only beings who can ever think and shit happens just like that. You don't allow anyone who's not indigenous, even those who are indigenous, to tell you how they're going to carry out your fate. All right? You don't let anyone tell you how they're going to carry out your fate, and you're going to just accept it. You don't let anyone do that. All right? We're the most powerful beings ever. You must fight back in spirituality, which means that this is like that time. This is like that alarm that to let you know it's time to start implementing rituals. It's time to start implementing seances. See, we're spiritual beings. We do certain rituals with certain herbs around us that are burning, and we do these rituals and we go to the spiritual essence, and this is true technology, and we can tap into their entire system and dismantle everything, kill all these scientists off without touching them ever. Without physically touching them. We can reach right into their bodies and snatch their worthless spirits from their soulless bodies and send them into other realms, into other unknown galaxies, into other dimensions where they're trapped forever and will never return back to this life. Brothers and sisters, understand the power that you have in the spiritual realm. All right? There's a substance is called charcoal. Let me see if I can find it real quick. All right, this is charcoal, and you can get it at like your smoke shops. All right, you can get it at like your smoke shops, and you can. I like using a torch or a torch lighter, and you put your herbs on it, and you could put it in the area where you are, and you can do your rituals while the herbs burn or the spices burn. With this, you carry out your rituals, but it's a charcoal. It's a little charcoal. It comes in like this foil like thing right here. All right, and this is what I do my rituals with. I gotta get me some more. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. I gotta get me some more. All right, and that's what you do your rituals with, that charcoal. And you put this is where you do the chants, and you focus on the system and their sciences, and you will see their sciences. You will see their sciences. You will see the things that they're doing. So they're carrying out. They have a plan to carry out a job of poisoning us all.